Hello, hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install Sublime Text Editor or Autocomplete tab. So first of all you need to download Sublime Text Editor 3. So I download Sublime Text Editor 3, so you can see here Windows don't fit. So I already download this tool, so I simply open this tool. So yes, next. So now check next, install plugin. So install Sublime Text Editor and finish. So please search here Sublime. Sublime I think is not appear. So you can see program files. The Sublime Text Editor 3. Sublime Text Editor. So yeah, you can see here Sublime Text Editor 3. So first of all you need to create new file. So I create new file. So I write here the class. So you can see this R class is appear. Alert primary, alert second, and meaning alert victim. So you can see here your all class is automatically appear in your Sublime team. So simply you need to write image, then you can see your all images auto pick. So what is this, how is it possible? So please don't worry about this. So I tell you. So first of all you need to go preferences and control packages. So select install packages. So first of all you need to write bootstrap, depend on your need. So I need bootstrap, bootstrap 4. So you can see here with the ILB install. So simply click on this. So this plugin will be started. So you can download JavaScript plugin. So you can see here JavaScript all plugins and auto pick 5, auto pick control, I took refresh, auto import. So you can see here. So guys, this video is end. So bye bye.